Logan's little train video. I got some new train set, Christmas, and all kinds of new stuff. Yeah, I got Christmas money. There's some turnout pieces from Bachmann, and they work good. And as you can see, the signal bridge, I got two signal bridges. They're originally Thomas, but when you get them, they don't even look like Thomas. And I got all this stuff from my favorite hobby shop, Hobby Depot, and more. And they usually sell a lot of this.
Yes, I'm hungry. Oh, I'm lazy.
I have a mountain farm up here. Kind of my favorite place. Not over here is like the best. I have a little church that my grandma got me for Christmas, trinket. And then got a station with one of my train sets, Golden Spike. That's where I got that engine from, and a couple of new cars. This is the thing that usually goes through. And then I come out here. Thanks for watching my model train video. Thanks. Bye.